What's up, guys? Today we're going to be vlogging completely on the GoPro, no phones. So me and Eric are going to pretty much just go to Gearhart Beach, check it out. It's been very stormy, but yeah, it's pretty cold out. I'm double layered. We're going to go get Eric and then we're going to head to the beach. So yeah, let's do it. On our way to get Eric right now in the little Chevy tractor, because we're going to go off-roading at the beach in the little Chevy tractor. So let's get it. Alright, we're here at the Gearhart approach in Oregon. See how bad it is. I think I'm gonna have to slip it in 4-wheel drive because I don't know if I trust that. It's
wet down there.
Yeah, it's pretty wet.
That's what she did.
I have decided not to slip it in 4-wheel drive. Don't know why.
Fucking rescue helicopter.
Yeah, I don't need 4. This is crazy.
Someone's donut spot. It's all good, bro.
Let's go the easy way.
Easy way.
This way. Oh shit, that's riveted. I don't want to.
Yeah, I don't think you want to go back area. I think you just right up this one.
Yeah, shit.
Get it. A little bit more speed. A little bit more speed. What was that?
I don't know. My brakes. I hit him pretty much.
A little bit more
This guy's
speed.
watching this dog.
A little bit more speed. We got it. Just making sure we didn't get fucking fucked up. We got it. Where you bought for it? Oh, for a minute. Fuck yeah.
These are all trails back here. Let's see where that Jeep went though.
These trails are right here. Tire marks are right here. There's like even out.
That's a way out there.
Man, it'd be so nice if we actually had like fucking actually dunes where you can ride fucking dunes, like dune buggies and stuff.
Alright guys, we are back at the house. Unfortunately, my car broke during the trail. You'll probably see or hear. The trail wasn't rough at all, so I really don't know what happened. I think my front ball joints pretty much just went out on me, so gotta replace both left front, right front, get them both done, passenger side and driver side, get them both done, and then we're probably going to do a full tune-up. We'll probably make a huge video on all of that tune-up, ball joints, maybe sway bars, new ones, so we can turn better, even though the tracker has amazing turning, but we're going to probably need more upgrades. But hope you guys like the videos. Please make sure to like and subscribe. That's the first time I actually said that. Another thing, thank you guys so much for 500 views on my shorts. I've never had 500 views before. I only get like 10, 3, 7 views sometimes on a video. 500 views. I woke up to 500 views this morning. That was pretty cool. So just keep it up. Hope you guys like this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. I'll be back tomorrow.